stand up and then straight. Rico, please lead the prayer.
Our Father, in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come.
God and the Holy Spirit. Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmates. Mabuhay.
Okay, before you take your seats, kindly pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs. Okay, so arrange your chairs and sit properly.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, so how's your day, class? So since this is the first day of the week, so how are you feeling?
We're good, teacher. How about you?
Okay, why are you exhausted?
Due to the pending schoolwork teacher.
Okay, so last meeting I gave you an assignment, right?
Yes, teacher.
So exchange your papers with your seatmate. No, okay, so the question is, what are the things that you prepare when the rain is coming? Give me one.
Umbrella.
Yes, umbrella. What else?
Raincoat.
Raincoat. Okay, very good. So, who got the perfect score? Okay, Envy, pass your papers to the front. Okay, thank you so much. So, almost all of you got the perfect score. Okay, so let's give ourselves 5 claps. Alright, so our topic last meeting is all about rain. So, who among you here can enumerate the process how rain forms? Give me one. Oh, yes. Dandra.
Evaporation.
Evaporation. Correct. What else? Yes.
Condensation.
Okay, condensation. Yes, Dessa.
Precipitation.
Precipitation. Yes, Benji.
Collection.
Yes, collection. Okay, so what about the cycle of the rain? Who can tell me the cycle of the rain? Because when the sun hits the ocean, what happens next?
Evaporate.
Yes, the cool water evaporates and condenses to the air.
Yes.
And then the air condenses and then it becomes a droplet which form a
Rain.
They form a clouds first. And then when the droplets is heavy enough, it falls to the ground and it is the
Rain.
yes, the process of precipitation, and it is called the rain. Okay, and the rain is collected and flows through the rivers, and it goes back to the ocean. So, do you remember now our topic as meeting?
Yes,
Do
teacher.
you have any clarifications about the topic?
None.
None. Okay, so now let's go to our classroom rules. So I want you class to be reminded of our classroom rules. So first, I want you to be ready to learn. So are you ready to learn?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so pay attention to our class today, okay? Number 2, listen to the teacher and zip your mouth. So I am talking here in front, so I want you to zip your mouth, meaning don't talk with your seatmates, okay? Number 3, respect other people's property. So meaning if you want to use the, like for example, the ball pen of your classmate, what are you going to do? You ask first the
Permission.
correct. Number 4, listen and follow directions. So I want you guys to listen to me, to my instructions, and I want you to follow the directions before going to do your work. Okay? Number 5, raise your hand before speaking and leaving your seat. So if you have any concerns, I want you to raise your hand first and tell me your concern. Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So now, let's play a game. Do you want to play a game?
Yes, teacher.
So now, Ermeline, can you move here? Okay, thank you so much. So I am going to group you into 2. This will settle down, and this will be the group 2. So what are you going to do? The last person at the end will stand up. Can you move here? Yes, Maronet. The last person at the end, Maronet and Benji, will stand up and will turn around for 3 times. And you are going to pass this marker to your seatmate, and you are going to sit down, and your seatmate will stand up and turn around for 3 times and pass this, and so on, up until this marker will reach the first person here in front. And the person here in front will run to the board and will write your group number here in the smaller circle at the center of the circle. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
So please pass this to the last person. Okay, people, listen. Ito pa nakalas. Hindi na lang. Pwede nila lang teacher. Yes po. Wait po. Pwede. Oh, I want you to listen to me. Remember the classroom rule number 2, okay?
CC6
So you are going to write your group number here at the circle, at the center of the circle. That's clear?
Yeah.
Are you listening? Okay.
17.
So are you ready?
Yes,
The last person, please stand up. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, faster.
Wait, round.
3,
1, 2, 3.
It's okay because I told you to write only the group number, so you can put it 1 or 2. But the group 2 is the winner, so let's do that. 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you got 200 points. Since you are the winner and you group 1 is listed, you got 95 points because nagkulang kayo sa speed. Pero job well done, guys. Please give us 3 claps. Okay, so what motion did you do a while ago? Number 8. What motion did you do? Motion? Yes, Genji?
Spinning.
Yes. You turn around for how many times?
3 times.
Okay. And when you turn around, you create or you produce a swirling effect of wind. You produce a whirling mass of wind. Is that clear? Okay, so next, let's go to our experiment 5. So I have here materials. Okay, so what color can you see, class?
Pink.
Okay, very good. So what I did is I put these 2 bottles together and I wrap this up to make sure that no water will leak out as we go through our experiment. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I will record the time duration of the water draining here in the empty bottle. So I will flip this bottle, okay? And would you mind to click this button when I flip this bottle and you stop it also? And tell me the time duration. Is that clear? Okay, so class, please observe what will happen in this water. So in 3, 2, 1. Observe what is happening inside this bottle. Okay, so who can explain what happened inside the bottle? Who can tell me? Yes, Landra, you have something to tell me. So, yes, Julian? Yes?
Teacher, based on my observation, the water in the bottle is creating a tornado.
Yes, it has a swirling effect of water. And this is the representation of a cyclone. Then, can you tell me the time duration?
7.21 seconds.
Okay, so there is a 7 seconds of the time duration of this swirling water. So this is our topic for this morning. What is again?
Cyclone.
Okay. So I want you to be reminded that if you plan to do this at home, these 2 bottles, if you want to create a cyclone, I want you to have a guidance from your parents. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So now, our topic is all about tropical cyclones, specifically the kinds of tropical cyclone. So first, we have to know the objectives. So please read, everybody. Can you say this clearly?
Identify the different kinds of cyclone. Discuss what a cyclone is. Demonstrate the different kinds of tropical cyclone.
Okay, thank you so much. So, let's why are you laughing? Okay, so now, what is tropical cyclone? So, tropical cyclone, guys, if you cannot see this properly, you can look at the board here. Can you read this?
Yes, teacher.
So, tropical cyclone is a big whirling mass of strong winds and rain. So, di ba what you did earlier is you turn around for 3 times and you produce a whirling mass of wind. So, that is the representation of a tropical cyclone. So, it moves in a counterclockwise direction. So, in the cyclone, the cool water evaporates and it condenses to the air. So, as a result, the wind spirals at the center of the tropical cyclone. So, look at this class. At the center of the tropical cyclone, this is called the eye.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Jerry, why are you late?
Because, ano po,
Yes, can you read this? Around the world, tropical cyclones are called by different names. They came from different times of the year in different places. Okay, very good. So here, tropical cyclone is called what? Yes, very good, Raymond. It is called bagyo. So they usually occur from September to November. Okay, very good. Thank you. So, cyclone intensifies when it is located over warm tropical waters and it weakens as it moves inland. So kapag nasa warm tropical water pa, kung nasa ocean yung tropical cyclone, there is a big possibility na mas lumaki pa yung tropical cyclone at mas maging stronger siya. But when it moves to the land, there is no water, hindi siya mag-evaporate. That's why nag-weakens yung tropical cyclone. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So now, let's go to the classification of tropical cyclones according to their strength of wind. So, who wants to read tropical disturbance? Yes, Laura.
Tropical disturbance. It is characterized by a poorly developed
Thunderstorm clouds. So, it looks like this. So, can you see this properly, class?
Yes.
Shower at the back. Can you see this? So, because you can notice sometimes our sky is dark. The clouds are gray. So, that is tropical disturbance. So, medyo namumuo pa lang yung water sa clouds. So, yun. Next is the tropical depression. Who wants to read? Sure. Yes, here. Yes, ma'am. Tropical depression. It has maximum sustained wind of 61 km/h. Depression extends to be in there is low pressure over a large enough area to be plotted on the weather map. These wind speeds can damage crops and blow over small unsecured objects. Okay, thank you so much for So, tropical depression, it has a maximum sustained wind of 61 km/h. Again, what is it? How many?
61
Okay, take note of that. So, tropical depression, as the pressure becomes even lower, warm moist air drops in and then the winds blow faster. So, it can damage crops, so like this, here. So, it can damage the crops or yung palay at yung iba pang tanim ng mga magsasaka at pwede rin yung ating mga magulang. So, that is the tropical depression. So, look at this. So, hindi pa siya masyadong malaki yung circulation niya. Meanwhile, here in the tropical storm, it has developed the maximum wind speed is 63 to 113 km/h near the center. 63 to 113 km/h. So, wind speed will cause damage to homes, blow over large trees, and make it dangerous to be outside. So, this tropical storm is more recognizable than the tropical depression. So, as you can see, the circular motion here is bigger than the tropical depression. So, tropical storm, as the air is pulled into the storm, the wind blows harder and faster. So that is why nadadamage niya or nagkakaroon ng landslide, floods. So that is the tropical storm. So look at this. So malakas yung hangin and it has a heavy rain. And then here, this is really dangerous to be outside class. So for you to be safe, what are you going to do?
Stay at home.
Yes, you have to stay at home. So next, we have the typhoon. So typhoon, it has a tropical cyclone with maximum wind speed of greater than 118 km per hour. So it is accompanied by heavy rains and strong winds that causes flash floods, re-roofing, destroy caravans, and can cause large debris and injury and widespread power failures. So, ang typhoon, meron siyang well-developed eye at the center. So, where is located? The eye?
Center.
Yes, at the center. So, as you can see, there is a hole at the center. So, this dense cloud, this white one, is called the rain bands. So, it is composed of a dense cloud. So, yung mga clouds na form because of the evaporation. So, that is. So, here, at yung sa gilid ng eye, it is called the eye wall. So, here. Okay, so, for you to see this clearly, this is the eye, the hole, and then yung gilid na is the eye wall. At yung itong nakapaligid na white is the rain band. Okay, so, now, to sum up our discussion, so high humidity and ocean temperatures over 28 degrees Celsius are major contributing factors. So first step, diba, the water or the ocean water evaporates clouds because of the droplets. Yes, very good. So with the mass of cold air, it forms a cloud, and then the second step, a column of low pressure develops at the center. So here, the center is the eye. And then the winds form around the column. So this is not. So here, as the pressure in the central column or the eye weakens, the speed of the wind around it increases. So bakit kaya? Do you have any idea why kapag maliit yung eye niya, mas malakas yung wind? Pero kapag malaki yung eye niya, mahina yung wind at saka yung rain. Do you have an idea? Anyone? Don't have? Kasi po, the eye is the center of calm. Meaning peaceful yung eye niya. So kapag malaki yung eye, di ba, yung eye niya, wala ito yung eye. At dito yung rain bands and then yung eye wall. So, kapag nandito tayo, there is a sun. We can see the sun shining. So di ba, are you watching news?
Yes,
So di ba, sometimes we are signal number 2, but there is no rain and there is no wind. That is because we are at the center of the eye. Nasa center tayo ng kalmado lang. Meanwhile, kapag nasa places tayo na nandoon sa rain bands or nasa gilid, here, ito, kapag nandito tayo, this is kasi composed of the dense cloud and the rain, and the heavy rain. Okay? Do you get it?
Yes,
Teacher.
Yes. Because eye is full and it is the center of calm. So kapag mas malaki yung hole niya, mas malaki yung center of calm. So maliit lang yung places na matatamaan ng wind at saka ng rain. Okay? Do you get it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So now, let's have a game. So I am going to group you into 4. So please count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3,
4.
1, 2, 3,
1, 2. Okay. So group 1 come here and group 2 there. Group 3 there and group 4. 3. Count your groups. Group 1, group 2, group 3.
Yes.
Ito na ba? Basta group 3. Okay. Group 4, we will zoom in. Oh, kami. Rico. Okay, so please settle down, everyone. That's rule number 2. Listen to the teacher. Okay, so group 1, this is yours. Group 2, please come ready. And group 3. Group 3, come here. Yes. And group 4. Okay, so listen to that. So what are you going to do? Listen, recall, please listen to me. Okay. Group 1, you are going to turn this up. We put instruction. Listen. Pay attention everyone. Pay attention. Group 1, you are going to turn the bottles upside down, flip it, without shaking it. So don't shake the bottle.
Yes, teacher.
Group 2, you are going to turn the bottle upside down and shake it twice only. Group 3, you are going to shake the bottles upside down and shake it 5 times. Okay? 5 times. And group 4, you are going to shake the bottles for 8 times. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
So for all the groups, you are going to list your observations and you are going to determine what kind of cyclones it is. So, write also the possible damage it will cause. So kapag na-identify niyo na kung anong klaseng tropical cyclone yan, yung naka-atas sa'yo, nakatask sa inyo, you're going to write the possible damage kung ano yung mangyayari sa environment. Is that clear?
Yes,
Okay. So, wait. Okay, so group 1, here's your paper. So, dyan yung lalagay yung answer nyo. Group 2, group 3, or your group 3, okay, and group 4. Okay, so in 2 minutes, listen everyone, this is the criteria. So cooperation, listen, group 3, pay attention. Cooperation for 30%, organization for 30%, and quality of work for 40%. A total of 100%. So in 2 minutes, you are going to present your work. Okay, so do your task.
Okay, one. Three, four, five. Malu maka boleh ini kau ni. Kada. Terus kita extend kau. Kakak dah. 1, 2, 3.
We're going to take it 8 times. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sir,
Kau mana 8 abos ng tubig na dito.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Settle down, everyone. Settle down now. Rico, take your. You can hear the center.
Okay, so good morning teacher, good morning classmates. So here is our observation regarding our activity. So we played the battle without shaking it and we observe what will happen. So just like that. Okay, so the record of we record the time and it's 8 seconds. And identify what kind of tropical cyclone and we write that it is tropical disturbance. Thunderstorm where thunderstorm clouds form. And then our observation is that um, in, um, hindi, in, hindi po yung swirling motion niya is hindi masyadong mabilis. Diba? Tapos, possible damage it will cause is hindi masyadong malaki yung damage na maibibigay niya. At sinulat namin na less rain, wala masyadong rain at less wind.
Okay, thank you so much, Group 1. So you got 100 points because napaka-detailed ang sagot nyo. So let's give them 3 claps. Okay, Group 2, present your work.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmates. So, based on the activity that we conducted,
Listen, Group 4.
based on the given, so we have to shake the bottle twice. So, just like you observed, diba? So there is a swirling motion that parang na-perform inside the bottle. So we recorded the time, which is 9.55 seconds, and then the tropical cyclone that of course would be the tropical depression because seems like hindi naman gaano katindi yung rain at saka yung wind talaga doon kasi parang tropical depression pa lang. Most especially pa lang siya mild observance of the rain and of course slightly strong wind. Then we observed that the motion or the recorded time and the swirling water mahina compared to the Binge's observation kasi na shake siya twice. Then of course the possible damages that will cause the damage drought and this crop, small rain, slightly rain, then floods, then landslide, then blow over small objects.
Okay, thank you so much, Group 2. So they also got 100 points. So let's give them 3 claps. Okay. Okay, so class, since it's already time, so we are going to continue this tomorrow. So Group 3 and 4, so I am hoping that you are going to do your best tomorrow to explain it well. Yes, okay? Okay, so please start your page. So good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, so last meeting yesterday, we had our activity. So now, di ba tapos na yung Group 1 and then yung Group 2? So we are going to proceed to the Group 3. So are you ready, 3 and 4?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so Group 3, your representative, please come in front and explain to us your answer. Yes. Now your group leader. Please cooperate with your group.
So our assigned task is to swirl this material 5 times. So as we can observe, the swirl is ano na po siya, medyo malakas na po, which can cause damage to our environment. It can destroy our houses, the trees, and it can cause also floods.
Okay. You may not take your seat. Group 3. Okay, how about group 4?
So good morning everyone. So our activity is to swirl this model into 8 times. So swirl it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the record of time is 11.36 seconds. So identify what kind of tropical cyclone. So it is a typhoon because it is a strong wind. There is a strong wind. Also, this is strong disturbance that can affect our community as well as our society. So write your observation. So let's see. Let's consider that water is the wind. So it means that it is strong and it is strong that can really affect the houses or even our plants. So possible damage of brick roofing, destroy caravans, cause large damage to supply and transportation and also the communication. So that's all.
Okay, thank you so much, group 4. So group 3 got 95% for cooperation for 30% and the unity for 30% and your quality of work is a total of 30%. So you got 90%. So let's give them 3 claps. Okay. Group 4 naman, you have a 95%. So you have a 30% of cooperation, unity for 30% also, and 35% for the quality of work. Let's give them 5 claps. Okay, so again class, what is tropical cyclone? So if you really listened yesterday's discussion, so who among you here can tell me what is tropical cyclone? Anyone? Yes? Diba, tropical cyclone is a big one. Yes, Benji?
Tropical cyclone teachers is a big whirling mass of strong winds and rain.
Okay, very good. Tropical cyclone is a big whirling mass of strong winds and rain. So it moves in a counter-clockwise direction. So what are the different kinds of tropical cyclone? Give me one.
Teacher,
Yes,
tropical depression.
Tropical depression. What else? Wala na bang ibang kamay? Yes, Juliet?
Typhoon.
Typhoon. What else? Yes, Bernie?
Tropical storm.
Tropical storm. Another one. Last one. Yes, Benji.
Tropical disturbance.
Yes, tropical disturbance. So, who keeps track on the cyclone that enters the Philippine area of responsibility? Pag-asa. Very good. What is pag-asa? Yes, Raymond? The Philippines. Pag-asa P for Philippines. A for astronomical. G for physical. A for astronomical. And S for services. And A for administration. Philippine atmospheric, geophysical, astronomical, services, administration. So pag-asa is the one who keeps track on the cyclone that enters the Philippine area of responsibility. Okay, so do you have any clarifications about the topic?
Teacher.
Okay, so now get 1/2 sheet paper and you were going to answer this in a 1/2 sheet of paper. Are you done answering?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so exchange your papers to your seatmates. Number 1. It is at the center of the typhoon considered as the center of calm. Aye. Let's check. Number 2. When it is formed over the tropics, it is called a tropical cyclone. Okay, I guess that all of you is wrong. So number 3. It keeps track of cyclone when it enters the Philippine area of responsibility. Number 4. What are the features of typhoon? The eyeball, and rain bands. Okay, number 5. What are the different kinds of tropical cyclones?
Tropical storm, tropical depression,
Storm, and typhoon. Very good. So who got perfect score? None. What about 4? Pass your papers to the front. 3. None. Okay, so almost all of you got the 4 out of 5 score. So job well done with that. Let's give ourselves 5 claps. Okay, so get your assignment notebook and write this. So what are the things you should do when a tropical cyclone, or commonly referred as bagyo, occurs in the Philippine area of your responsibility? So you are going to write it in a 1/2 sheet of paper and you are going to pass it tomorrow morning. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so kindly stand up. Pack your things. Pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs. And goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.
So, good morning, classmates. Good morning, Jumela. Sa continent, sa negative kita may buti na. Buti na kaya an ko kasi positive ka mo. An negative na sa preparation during the class kay nag-start ka kasi 17:28, which is Dilepsia proper. Then, kung dito ka dito may iwasan kaya syempre nagkamay ka malfunction, diba, sa natong buwan, sa natong pag-set. Although, di siya maiwasan, pero much better kung kanya ka pa hindi ka rin mag-IMs na lang kayo. Para sure nga, nung diretso ko na buwan, ang pag-demo. Then, okay na to, paano to siya, and kumbaga, challenge na to. Sunod, overcome mo na ito, hindi, matututo ka naman. Then, kung ano na, an interest sa kabataan, medyo, wala kasi yun. Medyo wala. An interest sa kabataan, wala may sarap ang mapilipin mo, kaya ba nga, mamati. Kaya, dati kasi hindi nakakabaton, dito nila. Then, ano naman, ang positive mo is, may ani mo objectives is na atin mo para mag-survive. Kita ko siya, in-picture ka mo objective, tapos all throughout sa limong discussion, sinundan ko kung usa-usa na namukuan na din, okay, ato siya. Okay, ato. Then, ang imo master sa limong lesson, okay, ato. Then, ang kaupayan sa imo kay, although kami nakikita problema, nakam-up mo, then that's a good teacher, good teacher din siya nga, although may problema ka dito, baga nakama siya dahil, na-recover mo ba nga, or kaupay mo siya. Although ang time na talaga, siya lang. Ano yung i-demonstrate? Balita ko sa una, class representative, preparation management. So, our classrooms was structured to enhance learning. Okay man ang seating arrangement and ventilation kahit hindi nagka-problema po. Pero okay man. Tapos, all necessary visual aids, bakit ang sabi na talaga yung kahit di ba di-record? Ipitigod ka sa niya kahit may klasa, may ka-technical ito. Dito lang medyo bagan tumabit dito kulang hawang mag-isal. Sarik na rin na di ba pamilya ka na mga may dalutin dapat lang. Then, discipline na anong mantin, sasaway mo hirabas sa nabati kang mamakingasa, sasaway mo dahil. Then, tapos, okay okay man, maragod ang bagan ang improvement ko lahat ko talaga ma-IM sa bagan. Asya ko lang talaga pinaka-hinder ka, Junila. All the kay, di ba ka open niya, delivery, tapos ang language talaga, diriya bagan, diriya na ko rin mag-English, tapos klaro, niya English, pag dinayakan. Tapos, okay lang ito, nagamit lang siya Tagalog para mas maintindihan natin. Okay na lang niya i-translate gap niya. Tapos, andito na mga part ng kakulot lang na discussion side. Bagan, may part dito nga ikaw na lang na nagbasa. Oo. All the way, adibod lang niya. Pero bagan, dito nga part na dito, may taka na yung dictionary. Tapos, di ba nagsurat ka dito? Siya na lang na yung mabasa. Kahirapan. Ang pag-construct lang, kaya una bibigyan ng objective. Hindi mo topic, saan hindi mo opportunities. Dahil lang, kapag pangalan mo, siguro kayo siya rin ako na naglalatol na ko. Dahil sa pero iman ko. Tapos, okay man no, nakikarapan na siya ng abisan mo na hindi ano talaga niya paagi. Tapos, talaga na-deliver ng puntot niya. Ito na, di ba ang student sa laga? Hindi rin talaga na matiliwat. Bisan, kanina kami video nila. Tapos yun, naka-integrate naman. Hindi rin na science, ang baga nakita ka, naka-integrate niya reading, di ba? Ganito. Tapos ano pa ang subject ang baga na-integrate niya? Hindi ko may laban ko. Basta naka-integrate niya. Hindi rin ba science o lab. Tapos, nagkamay daman liwat student to IM, material, student to material interaction, di ba? Pero sa kaya, hindi mo very creative. Tapos, ask questions to develop the though may dala din ang kabaton, pero maupay ko mas nagbabato pa rin ang mga question. Then, learning was evaluated through teamwork, exercises, will go naman ito. Tapos, nagkamay ng teacher to pupil, teacher to pupil to pupil, teacher how pupil to material interaction. So, overall, maupay man nag-donate na talaga maupay dito nila ang lesson. Tapos, though, asa na talaga ito nagka-problema, pero maramang nga, kung wala dito, maramang ka-technicality, mas maupay talaga